Hi everyone and welcome to my course, Build Your First Data Visualization with C3.js. My name is Ervis Trupja and in this course we are going to talk about C3.js as an easy to use and powerful chart library that enables deeper integration of charts into web applications. Some of the major topics that we will cover include setting up C3.js in a web application, generating line and pie charts, customizing C3.js charts, and also using event callbacks and API methods to access and modify the state of the charts. By the end of this course, you'll know enough to take advantage of this powerful JavaScript library and use it in your personal and commercial applications. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about building charts using C3.js library with the Build Your First Data Visualization with C3.js course here at Pluralsight.